You can do everything right and they gon' still judge. Got millions in my bank account, I used to deal drugs. This ain't no Hollywood script, I hang with real thugs. No longer knee deep in them trenches, but I'm still plugged. Ain't one of mine, and you can die, bitch, catch a steel slug. Knife in my back done turn me numb, so I don't feel love. They cannot turn on what I say. I gotta keep it a bud. She back ain't front, yeah. Nobody telling me none. They mad I won, yeah. I just got multiple sons. I don't know what they on, but I know they still turning me on, yeah. Got it easy, I know it like ABC. By design, I got it like CDG. Feel like 5 years movie, no DVD. I'm a real bastard like DDG. I don't care what they do, cause I'm doing me. If you roll up my gas, better pass to me. Can I talk if you not talking cash to me? When I step in the party, I tell him it cannot be dead. I just tell him it cannot be dead. Don't put in that work, then you cannot be fast. Still talking about money, put that on your head.
Look, I'm really not impressed, staying out the press, more or less, but I like more than less. Man, these niggas be dying to be next up. Look at these bitches, man, they dying to be next up. Me and my dogs, we apply.
What did you do, man? So just going gift shopping. Florida, about to see what I can cop. Maybe some Crocs. But yeah, today is kind of just a chill day. And we're going to the mall. Well, shopping day. Maybe I need some Fruit of the Looms. What did you do? We're about to go thrifting. Let's go ahead and get in there. Waste no time. It's hot as a donkey though. It's always hot as a donkey down here apparently. But yeah, let's get inside. Yo, pre these underwear, Doritos. Let me know. W or L. Men's are finna cop. Men's are def gonna be copping. I'm sorry, men's are looking for some Truies too. My Truies, you know, they're kind of crying. Even though men's don't wear them no more, still need a next pair. I'm crying. But yeah, first cop, second cop of the day, let's get it. What do you do, YouTube? It's Ross time. I've never been to Ross. I think it's like a Marshall's. I think it's like a Winners. It's time to see what we can find. Yeah.
Model. She wanna see my wardrobe cause it's full of designer.
So yeah, you see me, YouTube. We just went into like a Burlington, a Marshall's, a TJ Maxx, you know, just like these discounted stores, see what mans can find. I got a 1-2 thing, so they weren't that bad, you know, not a total cry, but we're about to go in this Disney store. Hopefully it's fire. I'm trying to get some Disney souvenirs and stuff for my room. You know, I'm trying to have that setup looking neat, have my setup looking clean. So without further ado, I might get in this store. I might not waste any time, and then we're about to go to the mall. I think we're going to the biggest mall in Orlando, craziest mall in Orlando. So, you know, that's gonna be exciting. God damn, it's hot though. What did you do, YouTube? We ended up visiting this Orlando outlet mall. It's cool, not too much here. We went to the Crocs store, y'all seen that. Not too crazy, but I'm about to go in this sports store. Hopefully it's fire. If not, we're crying.
If they catch me with this shit, gon' face the maximum. Call of Duty, if I call them dogs, bet they attacking them. Uncle Scam, I get a jug and then I'm taxing them. Triple wrapped and double boxed the way you gotta package them. All them petty plays when I was young, yeah, I was stacking them. Imagine shooting.
These bitches treat you like shit, you ain't living up to their standards. Told that little bitch to beat it, can't fuck with Dirty Diana. It's evident that they hate us, they quick to kill us on camera. Let's ain't like to drive fast, free my nigga out that slam. Feeling groovy off the X.
Apparently we made it at the best mall in Florida. Crazy. Apparently they got every store known to mankind. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get in. Mans are hungry too, so hopefully we can find some food. Let's get inside.
Up the 4 up in my Phantom, now we rockin' out. We was just selling hand in Montana. Draco with a K-Clip. Hey, pull up on the ops and go bananas. It's a war zone. All you hear is shots up on that.
Man's made it to this mall. They got a few streetwear stores, I'm not gonna lie. First one I went in wasn't even worth recording, yo. It was sad. Might record a little bit in this next one. A lot of it's overpriced, I'm crying, but let's check it out, yo. Foot Locker behind me, went in there, it was sad too. I'm not gonna lie, not much in this mall. It was a 1-2 shoe store. Other than that, it's been a cry. But you know, Orlando content still coming, Orlando content still on the way. Let me know how you're enjoying it so far. Like I said earlier, today's just a super chill day. Not much new. No park today. But in the next coming days, y'all know to be ready for that. Let me know what you think of the hat too. Von Dutch, you know I love my Von Dutches. Bape, and my 3s. Some light, man. Some light. We do this. But you see, basketball courts in the background. I didn't even knew Dick's sold basketball courts. Like, Rome fam, where are you? Could literally dunk on bro right now. Shaquille O'Neal style.
Always one up top, bitch, I be with them pistol blammers. Them tools gon' fix a problem like Thor, we gripping them hammers. Thought he was hard.
What it do, YouTube? Man's made it to downtown Disney. We're about to be late for our dinner reservation. Got like 4 minutes left. T-minus 4 minutes. So without further ado, let's not waste no time and let's run to our dinner reservation. The time is ticking. Time is on the clock. So without further ado, let's get in Disney Springs, downtown Disney, and let's get this dinner started. Planet Hollywood, apparently it's the best food place to eat in downtown Disney, eating at the best food spot in downtown Disney Springs. Let's get it.
Face to face, I knew some change whenever I was calling you at his place. I'm getting replaced, how does that not bother you? Used to say I was going insane, girl, you didn't want space, you wanted. I shook his hand, what's wrong with him? I rest my case, I'm coming. Everything you costed me. When you told me all of you was all for me. Everything.
What it do, YouTube? You see me, we at Disney Springs with it for like the second or third time. About to pick up a 1-2 last souvenirs. So without further ado, let's pick up the souvenirs and let's get back to the resort. Let's get it.
I used to be is gone away. How are you okay? When it's hard to know. Why'd you have to go and do that, my lover? Why'd you have to go and do that, my lover? Sharp in the knife, should've called that a line, but you. Put the whole thing in my back, my lover. All those lies, how'd you even look me in the eye, my lover? You held me through the night just to kill me in the morning. Why'd you have to go and do that, my lover? Why'd you have to go and do that, my lover? Sharp in the knife, should've called that a line, but you put the whole thing in my back, my.
What it do, YouTube? You see me, man, just got back to the hotel room. About to go hit the pool. First time in the pool on the resort. Let's not waste no time and let's go ahead and jump in the water. I'm about to turn into Finding Nemo. Let's get it.
Fly, oh yeah, let's go. She looking good from her head to toe. She knowing that when I ain't letting her go. We can pop out, we can flash in these hoes. For real, I'm still vibes, baby, let me know.
Valid pool. Look at the lights, yo. They got a bar, they got a hot tub. A little, you know, play place for the kids with the water. You see that in the background, red umbrella. Whole pool. Crazy, man. Crazy. Man's made it in the water. Man's made it. Oh. What it do, YouTube? That's gonna be the end for today's video. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to drop a sub, like if you enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Let's get it.
They cannot turn on what I say. I gotta keep it a but she back ain't front, yeah. Nobody telling me none. They mad I want it.